lot of you guys have seen my magic video. Now I'm about to take it real dangerous. So what I'm going to do, I have this dog cage, and I will get locked in it and I will escape. So, I'm skinny enough to slide through the dog cage.
Hey Jack, can you like close it and lock it while you're in there?
Yeah.
Can you escape from that?
Yes, I will escape. I will escape. So as you guys can see, I'm locked in this cage. As you see, I'm still in here, so I will escape.
Do you have any more magic tricks you're gonna do?
Well, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Thanks for watching my part 2 of my magic video, and I will see you later. Bye!